Hello students, today I am going to discuss the chapter number 3, that is non-ferrous metals and alloys. Non-ferrous metal and alloy does not contain iron in appreciable amount. These are more costly than the ferrous metals. Non-ferrous metals are used because of their desirable properties, such as low weight, higher conductivity, non-magnetic property, and resistance to corrosion. Some non-ferrous materials are also used in the iron and steel industries. The more common non-ferrous materials are copper, aluminium, magnesium, lead, nickel, tin, zinc, cobalt, etc. Copper alloys. Copper alloys normally possess excellent corrosion resistance, electrical and thermal conductivities, and formability. Some copper alloys combine high strength and corrosion resistance, which is desirable for marine application. Some copper alloys, because of their wearing properties, high hardness or corrosion resistance, are used as surfacing metals. Some copper alloys are selected for decorative applications because of their appearance. Elements such as aluminium, zinc, tin, beryllium, nickel, silicon, lead, etc. form alloys with copper. Copper alloys may be classified as high copper alloys, Munch metal or yellow metal, naval brass, bronzes, and gunmetal. High copper alloys. High copper alloys contain 96 to 99.3% of copper. They possess enhanced mechanical properties due to the addition of small amount of alloying elements such as chromium, zirconium, beryllium, and cadmium. A few typical high copper alloys are copper with 1% of cadmium, copper with 0.8% of chromium, copper with 0.12 to 0.3% of zirconium, copper with 1.5 to 2% of beryllium. Such alloys are used for electrical and electronic components as resistance welding electrodes, wire conductors, diaphragms, and pumpers. Munch metal or yellow metal. It contains 60% of copper and 40% of zinc and is essentially a hot working material. It is manufactured in the form of hot rolled plate and hot rolled rod or extruded sections in a great variety of shapes and sizes. Yellow metal is frequently used as a brazing alloy for steel. Other applications of Munch metal are ship sheathing, valve stems, perforated metal, condenser tubes, architectural work, etc. Naval brass. It contains 60% of copper, 39.25% of zinc and 0.7% of tin. The purpose of tin is to improve the resistance to corrosion. Naval brass is used for structural applications and for forgings, especially in cases where contact with seawater is likely to induce corrosion. Naval brass is obtainable as hot rolled plate, particularly for marine condenser plates, and in the form of extruded rod for the production of machined or hot forged components. Both sand and die castings are also available. Other applications of naval brass are propeller shafts, valve stem, pump impellers, etc. Bronzes. Bronze is a broad term defining an alloy of copper and elements other than nickel or zinc. It is basically an alloy of copper and tin, which possesses superior mechanical properties and corrosion resistance than the brass. It is comparatively hard and can resist the surface wear. Bronze can be shaped or rolled into wire rod and sheets. Different types of bronzes are phosphor bronze, aluminum bronze, silicon bronze. Phosphor bronze. Properties are: it has high strength and toughness. It is resistant to corrosion. It has good load bearing capacity. It poses low coefficient of friction. The applications of phosphor bronze are bearing applications, making pump parts, lining, springs, diaphragm, gears, clutch discs, bellows, etc. Aluminium bronze. Properties include good strength, good heat resistance, high corrosion resistance, good cold working properties, etc. It is used in bearings, gears, slide valves, imitation jewelry, valve seats, propellers, cams, pumpers, etc. Silicon bronze. Properties are: it possesses high strength and toughness as that of mild steel and corrosion resistance as that of copper. Silicon bronze can be cast, rolled, forged, and pressed hot or cold. Applications of silicon bronze are as bearings, roll mill sleepers, turntable bushings, marine hardware. It is also used in ways and jeeps, screw down nuts, boiler parts, die cast parts, etc. Gunmetal. The properties of gunmetal are: it is an alloy of copper, tin and zinc. Zinc cleans the metal and increases the fluidity. A small amount of lead may be added to improve the castability and machinability. Gunmetals are classified as Admiralty gunmetal, nickel gunmetal and leaded gunmetal. Admiralty gunmetal. It contains 10% of tin, 2% of zinc, maximum 1.5% of lead, 15% maximum nickel and the rest is copper. It is widely used for pumps, valves and miscellaneous castings and also used for statuary. Nickel gunmetal. It contains 7% of tin, 2.25% of zinc, 0.3% of lead, 55% of nickel and the balance is copper. When sand cast and heat treated, it has a tensile strength of 430 to 480 Newton per millimeter square. Leaded gunmetal. It contains 5% of tin, 5% of zinc, 5% of lead, maximum 2% of nickel with copper. This is among the most widely used grades, particularly where pressure tightness is required. The applications of leaded gunmetal are in bearings, steam pipe fittings, marine castings, hydraulic valves and gears, etc. Here, the part 1 of non-ferrous metals and alloys completed. To know other non-ferrous metals and alloys, please listen part 2.